welcome campers to Rapid River Ride. Please make sure to remain seated and there is no eating or drinking inside the vehicle at all times. Make sure to keep hands and feet as well inside the ride. Make sure to hold on to those loose articles like those hats and sunglasses you're all wearing, and make sure there are no cell phones and or electronics out during the entire ride time. Thank you and enjoy your ride, guys.
Here we go.
Alright, and welcome back, campers. Please make sure to remain seated the whole time until I come to you and unlock your restraints. Make sure to have a great day here at Knott's Berry Farm.